Well folks, welcome back to Budgie's Bus. I'd like to welcome you all to our channel. Those out there that don't know me, my name's John. This video is basically going to be all about us fitting the solar panels to the roof of the motorhome. In total, I'm putting up 5 solar panels. There's one that is 420 watt, 2 that are 200 watt, and a small 20 watt just for the starter battery. The other 3, this 460 and the 200 ones, they will both need their own solar controller because they don't match. That's not a problem. You can use multiple controllers on your leisure batteries. So this video more likely will be going over at least 2 or 3. I'm not as young as I used to be, so I'm actually tied to my 2 sons doing all the heavy lifting. So I'd like to thank Michael and John for their muscles. So bear with us folks, and we'll go through putting the solar panels up. We're going to be mounting the big ones on the typical mounting brackets. Strange thing is that you've got, for the sticker flex, you've only got this area. Why couldn't they have injection moulded and covered that up so you got even more bond? It just seems a strange idea to me, but yeah, that's one of them things. The small one, where we're going to be putting it, we don't have the room to mount it with these. They take up, I think they're almost 4 inches from there to there. So what I'm going to be doing there is making some brackets out of 2-inch angle, aluminium angle iron. So bear with us and we'll go through this video bit by bit. I hope you enjoy. Catch you at the end of this one. Bye for now. Okay folks, this is basically what all we're going to need. Side ones, corner ones, self-tapping bolts, drill, a ratchet. Well, there you go folks, that's one of the small ones. It's doddle to put the mounts on. All you got to do then is put the sticker flex around these and put it on the roof, and that should be enough to hold them. So catch you in a moment. Okay. Hi folks, thanks for sticking to the end. It's been a scorcher day out there today. I won't show you me putting all of the solar panels on. The one I showed is the big 460 watt solar panel. If I show you me fitting all of them, it gets a bit repetitious and you just get bored with it. So like I say, the next part of the video there will be the installing of the actual solar panels itself, drilling a hole in the roof, connecting up to the solar controller and the lithium batteries. So stick with us to that. I'll go in. One other thing before we go is that, as I said, the small 20 watt solar panel I'm putting up is only that thick. I don't know if you can see it right, compared to compared to those, the actual screw hole, which is just here, is actually just catching the edge of the solar panel, so I could never use these things. So like I said, I cut aluminium and I've fitted it to the smaller solar panel, as you can see here. This is only riveted on at the sides. That'll be sticker flex down to the roof, and that should be enough to hold it. So there we go. One thing I'd like to ask you all, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to the video. It helps us out. It's free, it's not going to cost you a penny to subscribe. Also, if you could click the like button, or if you don't like it, click the dislike button. But if you could do that, and just a comment in the bottom just saying, John, you're crap, or yeah, thanks a lot, enjoyed it, whatever. It all helps us to improve on our videos. So from me, take care, stay safe, and most of all, happy travelling to the lot of you. Bye for now, catch you in the next video.